can give you a key if you want to stay.
No, that's okay. It's better if I move on. Otherwise, those people will track me down here. And I'm guessing you'd prefer it if your place didn't get blown up.
Hey, wait! Just a sec.
You want to know what I think? About your power. That right hand of yours? I think it cancels out the grace of God and everything that goes along with it.
Huh?
Your hand opposes the divine, and without God's grace, you're bound to meet with ill fortune at every turn.
Rotten luck.
Well, if you ask me, being born with that power of yours is pretty much the most rotten luck a person could have.
Index. What now? Is there anywhere safe you can go after you leave here?
If I stay in one place, they're gonna find me.
But how?
Like I showed you before, my habit is infused with magic. And because of that magic, they're able to track my location. It'll be okay, though. If I can just make it to the church, they will offer me sanctuary.
Why didn't you tell me? Knowing all that, how can I let you leave here?
Come now. Do you really want to be dragged down into the depths of hell with me? Goodbye!
If you run into any more trouble, you know where you can find me.